Guys, I am back today with this little wheel of pretty flowers from BeautyBigBang. And today we are going to use it to make this mani here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a gradient on my nails with Zoya Sherry, Sally Hansen's Dry Orange Zest, and Zoya Darcy. When I do a gradient, I usually start out with some white. This one is Creme de la Creme by Sally Hansen. And then I use a sponge to do the gradient itself. Okay, so I'm back to do the second coat. And so you can see definitely much smoother that second time. Alright, so I finished with the gradient and we're going to stamp. This is Uber Chic Beauty Texturelicious 2 and we're going to use this image here. And there's that look. Alright, so I have everything stamped now, and I have put a coat of Orly Bonder onto the finger that I'm going to put my flowers on because it stays a little bit sticky and that will help me with placement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tweezers because I think that works best with these. And I am just going to pick up my flower and I am going to place it here. And then we're going to pat it down so that each of the little petals sticks. And that's going to allow us to be able to put our top coat on. All right. I'm actually going to come right in with a little bit of the bonder and just flick it onto the bottom there. Right, and I'm going to try to put this right here so it doesn't. What I'm trying to do here is I want to get my little edge of my flower right, hopefully at the edge of my nail or as close to as possible. Alright, and just kind of go up under, get a little tiny bit of that on there, and it's going to need to dry and get that stuck down. Alright, and we want these to be as flat as possible because then we're going to go over them with our top coat. Because if you don't coat them with top coat, I actually think it looks really cool like this, but if you wear it like this, you're going to get a couple of hours worth of wear out of it before the flowers start flaking off. So I use the top coat on it to make sure that it lasts a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and use Sèche Vite. And this will probably take 2 coats for you to get this the way you want it. You want it to be a little bit smoother and you want to make sure that that stays down. You're going to go ahead and do a second coat. So there it is, all cleaned up, and I went ahead and sprung for that second coat of top coat on there just to give it a little bit more staying power, and so you can see it's a little bit smoother. But so if you have thought, you know, these are pretty, but you've been like intimidated or thought they were hard to work with, like seriously guys, how easy was that? You saw how easy that was. That was super, super easy. And you can get just really cute looks with that. Like this makes me want to go on a tropical vacation right now. So once again, here is the final mani. We'll link everything down below, and thank you for watching.